This is why you need Azure Data Factory in your tech toolkit. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Azure Data Factory, or ADF, is Microsoft's cloud-based data integration service. Think of it as a super handy tool to move and transform data from various sources. First up, we have pipelines. These are the workflows that tell ADF what steps to follow. Imagine it like a recipe for your favorite dish, instructing each action from start to finish. Next, we have activities. These are the tasks within the pipeline, like chopping veggies or boiling water. Activities can move, transform, or even analyze your data. Then, there are datasets. These specify the data you want to use. Think of them as the ingredients listed in your recipe, the what and where of your data. Linked services come next. They are the connection strings linking ADF to your data sources. It's like the kitchen appliances you need to prep your meal, connecting to where your data lives. Finally, we have triggers. These are the schedule or events that kick off your pipelines, like setting a timer to start cooking. And there you have it, Azure Data Factory in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vaanii Technology LLC for more tech tips. Happy data cooking!